Incorrect source and destination arrows. Clients can share their AutoCAD electrical drawings with AutoCAD LT users, and indeed AutoCAD users. However, if we take an example of this where a client may have an AutoCAD LT user who uses commands such as stretch, and they may make modifications such as moving the source or destination arrows from one column to another column, thus meaning that the cross-referencing information has changed. If we navigate to the appropriate destination arrow, you'll see the information still relates to column 8. This is easily rectifiable. From the schematic ribbon bar, we can select the command Update Signal References. As you can see, the cross-referencing has automatically updated.